I'm going to show you how to create a professional website in minutes using WordPress, Astra and starter templates, even if you have never done this before. And we are not just making any website, we are building a simple freelancer website you can actually use to get clients online. First, you need hosting. I'm using Hostinger because it's fast, beginner friendly and super easy to set up. If you want to follow along, you can use the link in the description to get a discount. So here we are on the link on the description. You get 85% of premium, and this has everything you need to get started. Also, you get an extra 20% discount at the checkout. With this plan, you can create up to 3 websites. You have 20 gigabytes of storage and 2 mailboxes per website. Also, you get a free domain, which is important because you need this to register your website online. Just pick a basic plan, it's more than enough to start. So depending on for how long you need this, you can choose here for 12 months, 24 months or 48 months. As you can see, you get an extra discount at the checkout, which is 20%. So your total for 1 year and the free domain will be $33.5. Also here you can get your domain, you can purchase here. So as you can see, codecrushers.org will cost $31.98, but you get it for free for the first year. Depending on your domain name, you can get it for free. You can select it from here. So as you can see, 1 year, so you won't pay extra and you get it for free. Then you can click on continue and you will have to log in or register to Hostinger and complete the payment. Once you have completed the payment, you will log in and go to your account. Then on the left dashboard, you will go to website list. Once you are inside the website list, you are going to click on add website and you are going to choose WordPress. You're going to enter your details, your WordPress admin email, and your administrator password, the one that you created before when you created your Hostinger account. Or you can click on generate password, you can copy it and save it so you remember it for the next time. Then you click on next. So here you're going to type your domain name, the one that you bought before. Or you are just going to select it from a drop down menu here, or you can manually type it and select it. After selecting your domain, you can click on next. I'm going to use a temporary domain. Wait for this to finish and we are going to continue with the other steps. So WordPress and Hostinger allows you to choose a pre-built website. They are ready to go websites and you just can customize them based on your needs. We are not going to use a pre-built website, so we are going to use a theme instead. And here you can choose Astra. Click on next. You can add plugins to your site. We're going to select only UP Forms and Google Sitekit and click on next. It will install the plugins. It might take a few minutes. So here we are on Hostinger dashboard. You can edit site, preview site, change domain. Now you have some setup steps. You can start creating your website. You can choose a template, add your domain, get found on Google, and turn visitors into subscribers. So here we have the menu of WordPress. We have appearance and we have themes. Here you can change your theme. As you can see, Astra is active. You can view the theme details, the version. The reason we chose Astra is because it's lightweight, fast, and works perfectly with starter templates. As you can see, here is our live website. It's empty, has nothing. No header, no footer. As you can see, it's a minimal design. Now let's make this look professional. Now we need to add 2 plugins. We are going to go to the menu on plugins and add plugin. The first plugin that we are going to add is Elementor. Is this one. We are going to click on install now. And click on activate. After Elementor, we are going to click again on add plugin. And we are going to add starter templates. is this plugin over here, Starter Templates by Brainstorm Force. Click on install and click on activate. After it has been activated, you will find it at appearance, and at appearance we're going to click on Starter Templates. It will send the latest templates library. Here you need to go back because it should have shown this select page builder. We're going to choose Elementor, but it didn't show it, so you have to go back here, click on back and select Elementor. And here at professional, you are going to check on web designer. And we're going to select this one. And here you can select your site logo. You can also select the size of the logo. The font pair, I'll go for this one here. And the color, let's go with style 1. Okay, and you're going to click on continue. So here it will have some selected features and the following plugins that will be installed. But we already installed Elementor, so it will install UP Forms Lite and Rank. Click on continue. Click on submit and build my site. Or you can skip and start building, it's the same thing. Click on view where after finished, we are going to click on view your website and it will take us to the website. And just like that, you have a full website. Pages, layout, design, everything is already done. So we have this project section here. This is a good thing because instead of building from scratch, you just edit this design. So to edit this, we are going on home page, for example, and you are going to click on edit with Elementor. You can literally use this exact website to start freelancing, offer service, or build your online presence. So to edit it, now we are on Elementor, and let's say we need to change this thing over here. So we go and click on this edit, and it will show the menu on the left, and we go and edit it. And just like that, we can edit the whole website. So we have available for work. Why choose me section? You can do the same thing. You can change icons and text and colors, everything that you need. If you want to follow the same steps, check the Hostinger link in the description. You will get a discount and it helps support the channel. After finishing with the edits, you can click on publish and everything will be shown on the website in real time. If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe. Next, I'll show you how to turn this into a website that can actually make money. If you need any help, let me know in the comments. I will be more than happy to help you. See you in the next one. Peace out.